Hey guys, today I'm working with the Maytag Bravos Super Capacity Plus dryer, and I want to show you real quick that it's working perfect. Just hit go. It's got tons of options on here, tons of drying options, delicate options, I mean tons of stuff. We're going to do a little bit of refinishing here, make this look like new again. It's just a few years old, but still in like new condition and works perfect. I've had it running here just a little bit, and I'm going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to be. So right in between those two red dots, that's where it's going to take its surface temperature measurement. You can kind of see the difference between the floor and the machine. It changes whatever you put the two red dots on. So open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Now that tube can get pretty hot, anywhere from all the way up to 300 degrees it could get right inside of that heating tube. But when the heat pushes out the inside of your dryer, it's only going to get from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you have it set as up here. So, if you are, let's restart here. And it'll sing to you. So if you go, maybe you want to do a delicate, which puts your heat on extra low, so maybe it only gets to that 95. Protect your clothes that way. Dryness level, you can change all of this up. You can go time dry. If you want to control everything manually, you can do it however you want. Like I said, it sings to you. You got your signals, all kinds of controls here for you to mess around and play with and get your clothing dry the way you want it dry. Me, I'm more of just a heavy duty or normal. Hit and go and just let it roll. And your time adjustments over here too for time dry. So, but there you go. Like I said, you can see, I don't know if you can see through, yeah, you can see it's running nice and smooth. Sounds great. Like I said, we'll refinish the top. You can see that in the pictures. Otherwise, this is good to go. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. It's really important that when you get it home, plug it in, it's going to work correctly. It's going to heat the way it's supposed to. You plug it in, you're good to go. 22-point inspection on the dryer. Any washer that I sell gets a 28-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale, before it leaves my care here. So thanks for watching my video. You have a great day. Thanks.